Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show how do you personalize HCM Cloud Goal Center page using VB Studio. Let's begin and see how this can be achieved. So basically what we are going to achieve is, before customization, how this page looks like. So in this HCM Cloud Call Center page, you will have two options: performance calls and then development goals. So your customer may ask, hey, I don't want to have development goals. So you may need to remove this tab. So after we customize this page, we will not have this development goals on this tab menu. So let's see how you can remove this development goal option from that HCM Cloud Goal Center page. So let's begin the show. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you on the page of Oracle SaaS where I'm going to search the call center from show here, and let's say it is under this thing, team call center, under my team call center. When you click here, it will take you to the same page where you can see both the options: performance goals and development goals. So you may need to remove this development goals, and let's see how this can be done. So to do this, I'm going to open this page in a Visual Builder Studio with the option is edit page in VB Studio, which will open your VB Studio page, and I'm going to use the express mode to achieve this requirement. Though you can do with the advanced mode as well, but advanced mode is more from the functional standpoint of view. Sorry, from the technical perspective. So let me go to the express mode now. Here. So here you see we have performance goals and performance goals. If you go to the live mode, you see the performance goals and development goals. So you may need to remove this development goals from here. So I'm in the express mode where you can see the four constraints: journey code, task code, show alignment goals count, and then show development goals page, which is true by default. You can simply say false, which will remove your development goals option from here. So this is how you can simply remove the tab, and you can see this also false. Okay, this is not okay. Maybe there will be some counts that will be hidden when you use this show aligned goals count from true to false. So this is how you can simply disable or remove your development goals from this goal center page. That's all about this, and I hope you find this video interesting and quickly you can customize this page. Thank you. Bye-bye.